I'm from Team 1. I'm going to present about the service of Uber during this COVID 19. Uber has introduced a passenger verification requirement, which will be an extra safety measure during this COVID situation. The new move is mask verification, which will ask passengers, especially those who have been called out by drivers for not wearing a mask, and the drivers should their earlier trips to click a photo which shows who wearing a mask in that trip. Unless passenger clicks the selfie, they will not be able to book a next ride. I'm going to explain about the service of Ola. During the lockdown time, almost all the public transport has stopped, but Ola gave an emergency service option to the people who are ferried to the hospital. It really helps in that situation.
Good morning. ITC has launched multiple initiatives to participate to ensure the supplies of essential products and hygienic products are delivered at the doorstep of its consumer during this lockdown period. ITC has joined hands with Domino's to deliver the ITC essential items. Along with Domino's, it has partnered with food delivery chains Swiggy, Zomato, and along with the community centric apps such as Apna Complex, MyGate, um, and No Broker and Axo. Though such tie-ups, ITC has ensured the home deliveries of its brands like Ashirwad, Ippi, Sunfeast, Be Natural, Savlon and Fiamma. While Marico Limited has launched a Safolo store on Swiggy and Zomato, cab aggregator Uber India has launched a last mile delivery service and has partnered with online grocery from Big Baskets. Thank you.
Service sector in Indian Railway. The railway network has decided to convert as many as 20,000 old train carriage into isolation ward for patient as the virus spread. Railway will offer clean, sanitized and hygienic surrounding to the patient. Each sanitized carriage will be able to accommodate up to 16 patients alongside a nurse station, a doctor cabin and space for a medical supply and equipment. Local health authority will assign government doctor, paramedical nurse and volunteer to the train. The Indian government has also inspected railway factory to assess the feasibility of manufacturing hospital bed structure, medical trolleys, mask, sanitizer and medical apparatus such as ventilator for use it railway hospital and other government hospital. Asian Paint introduced a safe painting service in the COVID-19. It is the best painting service that care of your health and home. The safety and sanitation step undertaken by Asian Paint Safe Painting Service to maintain the well-being of their painter, their family and consumer also. To ensure the painter safety, daily protocols such as temperature check and usage of PPE kit and hand sanitizer will be compulsory. Simultaneously, tools will also be sanitized for dust-free painting and for a fast and uniform finish. The efficient painter and contractor of Asian Paint have been trained virtually by ground team. The undertaken digital class via WhatsApp, conference call and videos. They also ensure physical training via PPTs and video. Thank you.
KFC. And in KFC, they are providing some service in COVID period. They are having their own websites. In that, they are having delivery option, and but now in COVID period, they are providing takeaway option. It means in that time we are not allowed to sit in restaurants to eat food. In that, so that they have created the takeaway option. Let us wait outside, and once we place order, they will deliver the food from outside, and we can take and go to home and let's eat it. Like that, the option provided, it's just takeaway option to avoid crowd in the restaurant. And in pandemic situation, they introduce this method. Fourth is, they are providing many services to the customer in COVID 2019. One of the service is shopping through video call in the month of Audi. Though Audi is one of the most famous festivals celebrated in Tamil Nadu, at the time the sale for saree will be in peak. So they decided to sell sarees through video call. So they introduced shopping through video call, and they provided many methods to pay cash for the product or sarees purchased, like debit card, credit card, net banking, GPay and cash on delivery.
I am Anisha. I am going to present about the Amazon service during COVID. Commerce against Amazon Indian has launched in the online promo code Amazon Pass Pharmacy after the said online retail segments recorded a house surge in business during unlocked that what but blazed to control spreading of the novel's coronavirus. Given after such unlocking, the online pharmacy segment continues to stay up with growing moment. The company has the lockdown in the Amazon pharmacy service in Bangalore on the trial basis and further likely to expand in the another cities and the metropolis. Yearly, the online pharmacy startup Sledge and net method image pharmacy and photograph and report launched demand the control aimed the but in place to control the rising number COVID-19